In this video, we're going to discuss the solution for problem number 2. So what is the product of the real roots of the equation x squared plus 18x plus 30 equals 2 times the square root of x squared plus 18x plus 45. So take note, we are talking about product of the real roots. Okay? So let's have our solution. Okay, so for our solution, ang gawin natin, since 45 to, kung mapapansin natin, no, magkamukha yung x squared plus 18x dito. Tapos ito, kulang lang ng 15. So magdagdag kaya tayo ng 15 dito para maging 45 din. Tapos mag-minus tayo ng 15. So ang mangyayari magiging x squared plus 18x plus 30 plus 15 minus 15 equals 2 square root of x squared plus 18x plus 45. So dito magiging ano siya? X squared plus 18x plus 45 minus 15 equals 2 square root of x squared plus 18x plus 45. So, bakit ko ginawang ganyan? Para padaliin natin, no? Mag-assign tayo ng variable para dito. Pero, mas maganda na mag-a-assign na lang ako ng variable para dito sa radical. Para mawala yung radical. So, magle-let ako, let y equals square root of x squared plus 18x plus 45. So, ang mangyayari, ito ay naka y squared, yung buong to. Tapos, may naiwang minus 15 equals 2y. Tapos, isolve lang natin yung value ng y. So, y squared, lipat natin tong 2y sa left side. So, minus 2y minus 15 equals 0. And then, factor lang natin to, magiging y minus 5 and then y plus 3 equals 0. So, para ma-check natin kung tama yung factor, negative 5 plus 3, negative 2, negative 5 times 3, negative 15. Okay? And then, solve natin, y minus 5 equals 0, and then y plus 3 equals 0. So, dito, hindi na natin ito papansinin kasi ang mangyayari, y equals negative 3, ang y natin ay square root of something, no? So, hindi ito negative. So, di-disregard na natin to. Okay, so ang gagamitin na lang natin, itong y minus 5 equals 0 or simply y equals 5, no? Y equals 5. Tapos, balik na natin yung y. Ang y natin is, ito, square root of x squared plus 18x, x squared plus 18x plus 45 equals 5. I-square natin both sides, magiging x squared plus 18x plus 45 equals, ano yung square ng 5? 25. Lipat natin tong 25 sa left side. And then, we have x squared plus 18x plus 45 minus 25, 20 equals 0. Tapos, dapat alam natin yung idea nung product tsaka sum ng roots, di ba? If we have, recall lang natin, if we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, ang sum ng roots ay negative b over a. Tapos ang product ay c over a. So, ang hinahanap sa atin ay ano yung product ng real roots. So, ang product ay 20 over 1. So, ang magiging answer natin is 20. Okay? So, yan yung ating final answer.